Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard. Name of content is probability in R.D. Sharma, page number 16.33, exercise number 16.2 and question number 5 in a level 3. Read the question carefully. In the figure 16.13, JKLM is a square with sides of length 6 unit. Points A and B are the midpoints of side KL and LM respectively. Means A is the midpoint of KL and B is the midpoint of LM. If a point is selected at random from the interior of the square, what is the probability that the point will be chosen from the interior of triangle JAB? Here this one is a square KJML. This one is a square KJML. Length of side of square is 6 units. Each side is 6 units. A is the midpoint of KL. Here we know each side of with 6 centimeter. A is the midpoint of KL. So the KA is equals to 3 and AL is also 3. B is the midpoint of LM. Means LB is equals to 3 as well as BM is equals to 3. We want to find the probability of the point is in the interior of triangle JAB. What we want to find? We want to find the selected point is from the interior of the triangle JAB. We know the formula for finding the probability. For finding the probability formula is probability of any event equals to number of favorable upon number of टोटल. नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल अपॉन नंबर ऑफ टोटल. ये फेवरेबल में क्या आता है? यहाँ लेंथ आ सकती है, एरिया आ सकता है, या कोई नंबर भी आ सकता है, या तो फिर पेरीमीटर भी आ सकती है. लेकिन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द एरिया. ओके. Here probability of the event that the point is in the interior of triangle JAB. So at first find the area of triangle JAB, then find area of triangle KJML. At first find the area of triangle JAB, then find the area of square KJML, then area of triangle JAB, that is favorable, upon area of square KJML, that is a total. How to find the area of triangle JAB? Observe the triangle ALB. Only observe the triangle ALB. This one is ALB. In the triangle ALB, we know that this one is a right angle. Then AB square is equals to AL square plus BL square. Then AB square equals to 3 square plus 3 square. Then AB square equals to 9 plus 9. Then AB square equals to 18. Then AB equals to under root 9 into 2. Then AB is equals to 3 root 2. Here AB square equals to AL square plus BL square. That is 3 square plus 3 square equals to 9 plus 9. Then AB square is equals to 18. Means taking square root. AB equals to under root 18. That is under root 9 into 2. That is equals to 3 root 2. Then selecting triangle JKA. Here also in the triangle JKA, angle K is equals to 90 degree. Then again using Pythagoras, JA square is equals to JK square plus AK square. JA square, that is equals to 6 square plus 3 square. JA square is equals to 36 plus 9. Then JA square equals to 45. Then JA equals to under root 45. Then JA equals to under root 9 into 5. Then JA equals to 3 root 5. Similarly, we can prove that the JB is also 3 root 5. Observe here, about the triangle JAB, we know JA, that is 3 root 5, JB 3 root 5, and AB is equals to 3 root 2. Means about the triangle JAB, we know all three sides. Then using the Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle JAB, then in triangle JAB, let A is equals to 3 root 5, B is equals to 3 root 5, and C is equals to 3 root 2. At first find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equals to A plus B plus C by 2. A for 3 root 5, B for 3 root 5, C for 3 root 2 by 2. 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5, that is 6 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. 6 root 5 into divided by 2, that is 3 root 5, but 3 root 2 is not completely divisible by 2, so taking as it is 3 root 2 upon 2, means here the semi-perimeter is 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2. Then by Heron's formula, what is the Heron's formula? Area of triangle JAB is equals to under root S in bracket S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Only put out the values. Under root S for what? S for 3 root 5 in a bracket 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2. In other bracket S for 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 minus A. A means 3 root 5. This one is the second bracket into in a S for 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 minus B. B for 3 root 5. In next bracket S minus C. S for 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 minus C. C for 3 root 2. Observe this step carefully. Here 3 root 5 is a positive and 3 root 5 is negative, both cancel. Here 3 root 5 is a positive, 3 root 5 is a negative, get cancel. Means what is remains? Under root 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 into, that is 3 root 2 by 2 into 3 root 2 by 2 into, here what is cancelled? 3 root 5 as it is, and 3 root 2 by 2 minus 3 root 2 by 2, do their subtraction. What is 1 into 3 root 2? 3 root 2, 2 into 3 root 2, 6 root 2, 3 root 2 minus 6 root 2, that is minus 3 root 2 by 2. Here do this multiplication operation. Area of triangle JAB is equals to under root, first bracket taking as it is 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 into 3 3s are 9, root 2 into root 2, root 4 for 2 upon 2 2s are 4, then reducing 2 1s are 2 2s are into 3 root 5 minus 3 root 2 by 2, here 9 by 2. Then square root of 9 is 3, square root of 2 is root 2. This one is 3 root 5 plus minus 3 root 2 by 2, 3 root 2 by 2, means A plus B, A minus B, that is equals to under root first term square means 3 root 5 whole square minus second term square means 3 root 2 by 2 whole square. Do this. 3 root 2 by in a bracket 3 square 9, root 5 square 5 minus 3 square 9, root 2 square 2, 2 square 4, 2 ones are 2 2s are, what is 3 by root 2 in under root 9 5s are 45 by 1 minus 9 by 2. Do this subtraction. 3 by root 2 into under root 49 to the 90 minus 1 9 the 9 by 2, that is equals to area of triangle JAB, that is equals to 3 by root 2 into 90 minus 9 81. 81 square root is 9 upon root 2. 2 square root is 2. 9 3 is 27 upon root 2 into root 2, root 4 for 2, means area of triangle JAB is 27 by 2. Then find the area of square. Area of square means total area KJML. KJML, that is equals to side square. What is the side? Side is 6. So the 6 square, that is equals to 36. Then probability, let A is the event that point is in the triangle. A is the event that point will be chosen from interior of triangle JAB. Then probability of A event, that is equals to number of A event upon number of sample point. What is number of A event? Area of triangle JAB upon number of S means area of square. What square? Which square? KJML. Then area of triangle JAB is 27 by 2 dividing by area of quadrilateral or the area of square KJML is 36, is 36 by 1. Then 27 by 2 into 1 by 36. Division convert into multiplication taking reciprocal. Then do the cancellation. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, that is 3 1s are 3 upon 2 4s are 8. Therefore probability of the event that point will be chosen from the interior of triangle JAB, that is equals to 3 upon 8. Thank you friends.